Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing materials and making the first precise cuts. Measure and mark the radiating element dimensions for the 3.5 GHz band, then cut copper or PCB stock accurately. Small errors shift resonance. Once done, deburr edges and clean surfaces so solder wets properly. Attach the SMA connector to the coax, but do not solder the feed to anything yet. Make sure to work safe with goggles and ventilation, and to keep the project strictly receive-only for legal reasons. Now you assemble the antenna carefully, aligning element and ground plane with consistent spacing. Geometry controls impedance and pattern. Solder the coax center to the feed point and the shield to the ground plane, using minimal solder to avoid detuning. Once soldered, secure the element with non-conductive screws and spacers so the shape won't shift. Make sure to route the cable straight off the feed to avoid coupling. If you plan measurements, leave test access at the SMA connector for a receiver only. Finish by tuning and testing the assembled antenna using receive-only equipment like a spectrum analyzer or an external LTE/5G scanner. Never transmit. Observe peaks and note resonance. Small length or spacing tweaks will move resonance, so adjust in 1 to 2 mm steps and retest after each change. Make sure connections are tight and the coax is low loss. If things go wrong, first inspect the SMA and solder joints for cold joints or shorts, and verify the antenna.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.